Hello, students. Welcome in the Albag Educational Institute. Yeah, uh, we will discuss your course, Rural Development. This course is a core course and to be studied by each and every student taking admission in undergraduate classes in the Albag Educational Institute. There are many core courses in the institute, uh, like Indian culture, comparative study of religion, agricultural operation, social service, rural development, uh, cultural activities, CAC and GKC, scientific methodologies, general knowledge and current affairs. In Dalbag Educational Institute, for the complete development of a student, many core courses are taught to them along with main courses selected by them. In our institute, you take admission in a faculty and choose uh, a main subject in which you earn honors degree. Besides this subject, you choose some one or two more subject related to that subject offering by the faculty. Beside these courses, these some core courses, as already I have told you, are taught to the student, every student taking admission in graduation. This rural development is one of the core course. It is compulsory for every student pursuing any graduate program from Dayal Bagh Educational Institute. This course is taught in first semester and it contains 200 marks. Every student have to pass this course to obtain graduate degree from BEI. This course is very unique as it provides an overview about the theoretical as well as practical knowledge of rural development to the students. The course outcome or learning objectives of rural development course are as under. This course will provide an overview about the theoretical and practical knowledge of rural development to the students. A student will learn the concept and importance of rural development. The student will learn the structure and problems of rural society. The student will learn the organizational structure for rural development. This course will provide knowledge about various rural development programs initiated by national and state government at various times. A student will learn to how to develop questionnaire and a schedule for socio-economic survey of an area. The student will get practical knowledge about socio-economic status of the village by surveying a village. The student will get practical knowledge about block training center, agricultural farm, dairy farm by studying these forms during practical courses, practical classes. It is the syllabus of the course. In syllabus, there are 5 units of theory and some practicals. The theory course is divided into 5 units. Unit first deals with concept and importance of rural development. Unit second, understanding of the rural society. In this unit, students have to study about the structure and problem of rural society. Next unit is organizational structure for rural development, formal and informal, including leadership. Unit 4 contains green revolution, evaluation and its importance. And in unit 5, the student will study about the brief description of rural development programs. In practical, you have to develop questionnaire and schedule. Socio-economic survey of a village. For the socio-economic survey, it is practical first, developing questionnaire and schedule. It is a preparatory practical for the second study. Next practical is study of block training center, agricultural farm or dairy farm. And fourth practical is study of rural development program. Marking pattern, as I have already told you, this course contains 200 marks. There is three component. There are three component. In other courses, your main courses, there are so many components. Here there is only three component. First one is DHA and CA. There will be some DHA and some CA. It will be of 60 marks. Next, second component will be CT, class test. There will be only one class test of 60 marks, and it will be held with second CT, not in first CT. And third component is practical cum attendance. In this component, there is 140 marks, and 20 marks are for attendance, and 120 marks for practical. For practical, there is no separate exam. In practical, there is continuous evaluation. That is when some assignment will be given to you, or during your practical classes, your performance will be recorded by the teacher, and you will get awarded marks according to your performance during the classes. Thus, this course is total of 200 marks. DHAs will be given during online classes, and practical assignment will also be given for online.